Want to crush your marketing goals? Let AI lead the way. Look no further, because with powerful AI tools, you to get highly creative ads. Simply visit Ad Creative, a powerful AI tool that will transform your advertising campaigns. With Ad Creative, you can create compelling ads, engaging ads that will capture your audience's attention. Say goodbye to boring and generic ads that get ignored. Ad Creative allows you to customize your ads to fit the specific needs and interests of your target audience. By using eye-catching visuals and persuasive copy, you can create ads that drive conversions. But that's not all. Ad Creative also provides detailed analytics and reports. See which ads are driving the most conversions and optimize your campaigns accordingly. By constantly refining and improving your ads, you can continually increase your conversion rates. So why wait? Start using Ad Creative today and skyrocket your conversion rates. For the link to this product and more AI marketing, including our book, for free, visit www.everythingaihub.com/marketing.